Hello, everybody. My name is Eran Koren. I'm a consultant in NAYA Technologies and an instructor in the NAYA Academy. And I would like to invite you all to our upcoming webinar, Oracle 12c New Features, the Grand Tour. We call this the Grand Tour because in this 4-hour webinar, we're going to cover dozens of new features from the Oracle 12c release, ranging different aspects of the database such as performance, and manageability, security, design, SQL and PLSQL, data management, etc. Let's go over the syllabus and see what we have planned. So, of course, multi-tenancy in the Oracle 12c database, this new optional architecture of Oracle, which enables us to have a container database with multiple pluggable databases inside that. We'll see how that works. Tables, indexes, and design, lots of new features for design in tables and indexes such as identity columns, invisible columns, temporary undo, etc. We'll see some of that. Partition tables enhancements, actually some great new features, really useful for partition tables such as partial indexes. You can index just specific partition, and asynchronous global index maintenance. You can now create global indexes on your partition tables without having them becoming unusable on maintenance. It's asynchronous and non-blocking the maintenance, and others. SQL and PLSQL enhancements such as top-end pagination for queries. This is a long-awaited feature. The local PLSQL with clause and the Pragma UDF you can use in functions to boost performance, and others for SQL and PLSQL. Performance and monitoring enhancements. Wow, just for this, just for the features for performance, we can have a whole seminar for 3 days at least, because Oracle 12c is packed with features for that. For the optimizer, such as the adaptive query optimization, the adaptive plans and adaptive statistics and re-optimizations, and in-memory column stores, and enhancement to SQL monitoring, and others. For performance, we'll continue with some security enhancements available for us at 12c. Temporal validity, you probably heard about the period 4 clause we can use in table and row archival. If you haven't, it's going to be a good chance to hear about it. In the webinar, information lifecycle management, also there's going to be, there is a lot of talk about heat maps in Oracle 12c, and the policies we can create with the automatic data optimization. We'll hear a bit about what this is about and how it works. And we'll wrap up with RMAN, Oracle Recovery Manager enhancements, such as table level recovery and pluggable databases support, and data pump, export and import, new features, SQL loader, new features, and that would be it. Of course, we have some great slides for you. And some demos, hands-on live demos. We'll see some of that, and that's it. It's going to be great to have you with us. We're going to cover a whole lot of new features. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be informative. You can enroll here in our site. I'm Eran Koren. You're all invited to this webinar. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye for now.